To create and share a payment link in DCDial, click Payment Link from the main dashboard or the Quick Actions menu. Pick your contact right from the list, or add a new one. You can also click Show Page Contacts to pull from the current web page, or use the search function to locate the contact. Next, enter the payment amount. Allow modification if you want the customer to be able to change the amount. Turn on Apply Convenience Fee to automatically add a fee on top of the payment amount. Set the due date. An expiration date to define how long the link remains valid. Then choose how you'd like to send the link. By email, by SMS, or both. Click Preview to review the request. Once everything looks good, click Send Link to share it with the customer. To track your payment link, navigate to the Notifications section and locate the payment link you sent. Or check the contact details by clicking Activity tab. That's it for this demo. See you in the next video.